the recitation of the Quran and chit-chatting at the same time. Have some respect. This word came from the seventh heaven to this earth. It's not something, it's not a $5 CD you bought. That's the word of Allah. That's not a free MP3 you downloaded. That's the word of Allah. Show some respect. Turn it off if you want to talk. Or if it's being played, listen to it. فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. Listen to it carefully and shut up. Literally, Quran's words, ansitu. Ansata means when somebody talks, you don't talk back. It doesn't just mean, samata, to be silent. Ansata, to be silent in response to listening to somebody. Listen respectfully, stay quiet. Allah says when Quran is being recited, you will listen to it carefully and you will remain silent. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ, so that you may be shown mercy. In other words, if you don't do it, fill in the blanks yourself. I don't have to fill those for you, you're intelligent people. You want to be shown mercy, you better show this Quran some respect.